Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your maths teacher, and you know very well chapter number 10 percentage is going on. So today we will discuss the rest questions of exercise 10B. So firstly see the question number 19. And question number 19 is a number is increased by 20% and the increased number is decreased by 20%. So find the net increase or decrease percent. Net increase or decrease percent. So see the solution of question number 19. So firstly let the number be 100. Let the number be 100. So increase in the number equals to 20%. Equals to 20%. So increase number equals to 100 plus 20 means 120. 120. Now decrease in the number equals to 20% of 120. So 20 upon 100 multiply 120. 0 से 0 कट कर देंगे बेटा 12 to the 24. So new number equals to 120 minus 24 means 96. So net decrease equals to 100 minus 96 just 4. So net decrease percent equals to 4 upon 100 multiply 100. So 100 से 100 कट जाएगा 4%. 4%. So see again, first of all let the number be 100. So increase in the number, increase कितना हो रहा है 20%. So increase number क्या हो जाएगा 100 plus 20 means 120. Now decrease in the number, उसमें decrease हो रहा है कितना 20% of 120. तो बेटा 20 upon 100 multiply 120. 0 से 0 कट कर देंगे आप 12 to the 24. So new number 120 minus 24 96. So net decrease कितना हुआ आपने कितना ऐड किया 100. So 100 minus 96 so 4. So net decrease percent 4 upon 100 multiply 100. So 100 से 100 करते रहेंगे बेटा 4% and 4% is the net decrease. Okay beta, this is the required answer. Everyone clear? So after this see the next question number 21. Now see the question number 21, and question number 21 is a property dealer charges commission at the rate of 2% on the first 2 lakh and 1% on the next 2 lakh and 0.5% on the remaining price. So find his commission on the property that has been sold for 5,40,000. means आपको total commission find करना. Okay, so see the solution of question number 21. Okay, so see total cost of the property. Total cost of the property equals to 5,40,000. 5,40,000. This is given. So आप लिखेंगे बेटा commission on the first 2 lakh. Commission on the first 2 lakh. How much? commission on the next 2 lakh. How much? 1% of 2 lakh. 1% of 2 lakh. So 1 upon 100 multiply 2 lakh. So बेटा डबल जीरो से डबल जीरो कट हो जाएगा. So remaining is 2000. Remaining is 2000. Okay बेटा. Then remaining amount is 5,40,000 से आप माइनस कर देंगे. हाउ मच? 2 and 2 4 लाख. सो 4 लाख माइनस कर देगा. सो ये आ जाएगा आपके पास 1,40,000. 1,40,000. सो कमीशन on 1,40,000. How much beta? 0.5% of 1,40,000. Okay. So 0.5 upon 100 multiply 1,40,000. 1,40,000. So beta 0 से 0 कट कर देंगे आप. And 14 5 जा 70. 14 5 जा 70. So 700. 700. So total commission on the property. Thus total commission on the property. So beta total commission how much? This 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 700. Clear beta? So 4,000 2,000 6,000 6,700. 6,700. 6,700 is the required answer. Everyone clear beta? Now after this see the next question. So question number 23 is John's income is 20% more than Mr. Thomas. So how much percent is the income of Mr. Thomas less than that of John? That of John. So see the solution of this question carefully. First of all, let rupees 100 be the income of Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas. Okay beta? So John's income equals to 120 rupees. 120 rupees. So Mr. Thomas income when John income is 120. So Mr. Thomas की कितनी है उसका? 100. Clear? So Mr. Thomas income when John's income is 100 equals to 100 upon 120 multiply 100. So 0 से 0 कट बेटा. तो 6 जा 12 2 5 जा 10 2 3 जा 2 5 जा 10. So 5 5 जा 25 means 250 upon 3. Convert into mixed fraction. So 3 8 जा 24 3 3 जा 9 means 83 whole 1 upon 3 rupees. Clear बेटा? Hence Mr. Thomas income is less than that of John income by 16 whole 23 2 upon 3%. 16 whole 2 upon 3%. Again see, first of all let 100 rupee be the income of Mr. Thomas. So card. So question number 25 is the value of a card decrease annually by 20% if the present value of the card be 4,50,000. So what will be its value after 2 years? Means 2 years के बाद उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? ओके बेटा, see the solution of question number 25. First of all, give it the present value of the car equals to 4,50,000. 4,50,000. So the decrease in its value after first year. After first year, how much? 20% of 4,50,000. So 20 upon 100 multiply 4,50,000. Clear बेटा? So 0 से 0 कट कर देंगे आप. Then multiply. So 45 to the 90 is 90,000. 90,000. Okay? The depreciated value of the car after first year equals to 4,50,000 minus 90,000. So remaining is 3,60,000. Clear beta? As it is, the decrease in its value after second year. After second year, how much? 20% of 3,60,000. So 20 upon 100 multiply 3,60,000. So बेटा 0 से 0 कट कर देंगे आप. 36 to the 72 means 72,000. Okay? The depreciated value of the car after second year. After second year, how much? So minus करते हैं बेटा. 3,60,000 minus 72,000. So remaining is 2,88,000. 2,88,000. And 2,88,000 is the required answer of this question. Again, see, the present value of the car is given how much? 4,50,000. So the decrease in its value of after first year to 20% of 4,05,000. So answer is 90,000. As it is the depreciated value of the car after first year minus कर देंगे बेटा, याद रहेगा आपका. Then the decrease in its value after second year 20% of this 72,000. Then minus कर देंगे. So this is the required answer. Okay बेटा, means after 2 years जो कार की वैल्यू होगी वो 2,88,000 होगी. Clear बेटा? Everyone clear? Now see the next question of this exercise. So 27th question is, due to an increase in the price of sugar by 25%, so how much percent must a householder decrease the consumption of sugar so that there is no increase in the expenditure on sugar? So see the solution of this question. This question is very important. So see carefully. First of all, let the consumption of sugar originally be 1 unit. कितना कंजप्शन है? 1 unit. And let its cost be 100 rupees. Cost कितना बेटा? 100 rupees. Now cost of 1 unit of sugar equals to 125 rupees. 125 rupees. Now 125 rupees yield 1 unit of sugar. 1 unit of sugar. Clear now? Okay. So 100 rupees will yield 1 upon 125 multiply 100. So 25 5 25 4. That means 4 upon 5 unit of sugar. Unit of sugar. Clear beta? Now reduction consumption. Reduction in consumption equals to 1 minus 4 upon 5. 5 under 5 minus 4 upon 5 is 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 unit. Okay beta? Now reduction percent in consumption. Reduction percent in consumption. So 1 upon 5 multiply 1 unit multiply 100. So 5 to the 10, 20%. 20%. Again see this solution. Let the consumption of sugar originally be 1 unit and let its cost is 100 rupees. So meaning of this line, now cost of 1 unit of sugar equals to 125 because 25% is increase. Now 125 rupees yield 1 unit of sugar. So 100 will yield 1 upon 25 multiply 100. So 25 4 is 25 5 is 125. So 4 upon 5 unit of sugar. So reduction in consumption equals to 1 minus 4 upon 5 remaining is 1 upon 5 unit. So reduction percent in consumption equals to 1 upon 5 multiply 1 unit multiply 100. So 5 to the 10 20% and 20% is the required solution. So everyone clear beta? सभी को clear है? So this question is complete and this exercise is also complete. So today work is closed beta. Have a nice day.